and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title already, we are going to do two looks. I'm actually going to divide my face into two. One half of my face is going to be full glam, and then the other half is actually going to be a soft look. I hope you guys are going to like it. I think I will do this face, the really pronounced one, and this face is going to be the soft look one. So let's get on with it. I've never done this sort of look before, so it's actually going to be a challenge. As always, I haven't done my eyebrow. We're going to do everything on camera. Even if I'm doing a soft look, I'm still going to do the full coverage. That's what I like. I like the full coverage. That is me. So, you know, I'm going to use the same old eyebrow pencil, Rimmel Scandalize, and it's a color 02 chocolate brown. We're going to go over the eyebrow with the eye gel. Again, it's from Rimmel and it's called the Wonderful Brow in the color dark brown. I might use this one to fill it in a little bit as well. Which one is a Revolution Makeup? It's a pencil as well. So first of all, I'm going to comb both eyebrows, the really exaggerated pronounced side of my face. I'm going to actually exaggerate the eyebrow a little bit. I'm going to just fill it in just slightly. This is how I do my eyebrow. I don't really do much to it these days. Well, I think I've drawn it too big. I've drawn it way too big. And for the soft side, I will be using this eyebrow pencil from Revolution. We're going to keep everything soft on this side. I'm actually using a darker pencil for this side. Comb it up and then comb this side up as well. I think I should have used the brown for that side. We're going to go over with the eyebrow gel. It's not looking too great, but we actually going to neaten it up a bit to make it look great. I'm practically going to use the same for the top as well. I don't even know why I used black. I don't know why I did that. I'm going to be using foundation color for the top because I don't want it too pronounced. This is the eyebrow done. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Even though I used the black for this side, which I should have used the other way around, but it's okay. We're gonna go for the eyeshadow. We're going to use a small beauty blender to blend it. I'm actually going to wet it a bit with a setting spray, dampen it slightly. Setting spray is from Too Faced and is the Professional Super Setter. Look, because I want the eyeshadow on this side to really pop, so we're going for this. So practically I'm doing this side first, and then I'm going to go over the other side too. Is the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and it's 05 Brightener from Maybelline. I'm going to use this brown here for the transition shade. It's called Trifle. Yeah, I'm going to put it right there. Guys, you know what happened? I did the at-home peeling. So I was trying to do the at-home one. You're actually advised to go out with a sun cream after you finish doing that, the at-home peeling. I went outside without a sun cream. I found a couple of days later that my face was burnt. Actually, my face went really dark. It went very dark, and it's still not coming back to its normal color. It's still about half a shade or a shade darker than my face is usually. I advise you guys, you know, never go out there without a sun cream. Sun cream is very important, and I got exposed to the sun. So there it is, and I'm going to be putting a darker shade of brown inside the crease. Insta. And we're going to be going in again with the black. We're going for this smoky black. We're going to be putting that on the corners of the eye. And we're going to be going on the lid with Ibiza. I'll be using this same brush. We're going to use the same color as the transition shade, the trifle. With the soft side, we got to try and blend it in very well because you want everything to melt into each other. And we're actually going to go in again with the fudge. So we're going to put that in the crease area. So we're putting it right in the crease area just to darken it slightly. We are going to go for this color here, spot for the lid, yeah. There it is, I've done that. And this side, you don't really have to do eyeliner if you don't want to. But like I said, I do like my eyeliner, so I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to clean it up. Oh my goodness, I look really weird. I look weird. Okay, and now we're gonna do eyelashes. We're gonna use Coco. It's Hustler. I love these lashes so much. So that's for the body side. For the soft side, I'm actually gonna use lashes that I got from AliExpress. It's a very cheap lashes. I really do like that one. It's still quite long, but not as dramatic as the one that I'm gonna use on the other side. Right guys, so we're gonna have to wait for this to dry. Guys, I've got the eyelashes on now. They're both dramatic, they're both quite long, but yeah, as you can tell, one is more dramatic than the other. And then now I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter on both sides. Now we're gonna go on a foundation. I just bought this one. It's the NYX and it's called Born to Glow. I've seen people use it. It says naturally radiant foundation. I've seen people use it, but I haven't personally used it before. So yeah, we're actually gonna use this one. I don't know if I've got my right shade because I bought it over the counter and I did not try it. Can you imagine? Can you believe it? I didn't really try it. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it directly on my face. Okay, I'm going to be putting, I think I put a lot. I put a lot. I like my full coverage. Let's see. On, ooh, that's a lot. I put a lot. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's actually not bad. Wow, that is a nice foundation. This is a really pretty cool foundation. I didn't match it, but I feel like it goes well with my skin. Right, we're going to do both faces. So a little bit lighter for my face. This is so nice. I like this foundation. It's meant to be like a glowy foundation. Wow, it's really nice. I put a lot. I put a lot. By the way, my skin is glowing. We're gonna go over with a beauty blender just to tap off a little bit of the oil. Look at the way my skin is glowing. Look at the way it's glowing. Right, so now we've got foundation all over my face. Now we're actually going to go to the concealer with a cute side. I'm not actually going to highlight it too much. With this side, the more glam side is going to be super highlighted because that's what I do. That's what we do. That's what I do. I am going to go over with this concealer here, and it's from e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to put a dot there and a dot there. Dot. Since the nose is in the middle, okay, and we are going to because I want to really highlight it, I'm going to put that there. We want it a lot highlighted. Okay, so, oh my goodness, look how light it is. Oh, it's going to all blend in. And we are going to do this together. Gotta blend this in together. And of course we're going to, yeah, this side we don't want it too highlighted. Then we're going to do there. So we don't want it too highlighted on that side. I don't know if you can see a difference. You know, this side is super highlighted and this side is quite soft. So I'm gonna contour this side and I'm gonna contour the jawline. And here we're just gonna stick to there. Okay, here we'll just stop there. So we're not going to bring it all the way in, and we're going to keep everything quite soft and quite simple. So yeah, there it is. So this is actually really quite mild, soft side, you know, even though I've contoured and everything, it's still quite soft. This one is actually really harsh. Now we are going to bake. This side we are going to bake. With the soft side, I'm actually going to use brown pencil. I'm going to use the brown pencil to line my lower lid. The more pronounced and the glam side, we're actually going to use the black. I'm going to use the black pencil to line it. We're going to go for this soft brown on the lower lid there. Just keep it quite soft and quite. So for the other side, I'm actually going to go for this blue here. You're going to put it on the lower lid. And I am actually going to use the brown to diffuse it by putting it on top as well so that it's not too harsh. Oh, my eye is pretty watery. Ah, my eye is watery. My eye is watery. Okay, now we're going to put mascara on the lower lid. I'm going to sweep it off. Kind of sweep the side off. And now I'm actually going to set my whole face with my setting powder, the Hello Happy from Benefit, and it's the color 11. So I'm actually going over the contoured places first. My chair is making some squeaky noises. It's making some noises. Now we're going to come on the lips. There you go. We're going to do the lips first before we do the extra touches. Should we do the extra touches? We're going to do the extra touches first. Okay, right guys, so now I'm going to do the highlights. With the cute side, I'm not going to do too much to it. I'm only going to put just a little tiny bit of highlighter, like so. And on this side, I'm going to put it again like so. We're going to do blush on this side. We're going to do a little bit of blush on this side as well, but not too much. We're going to keep it quite simple. And I'm going to put it all the way here. So with this side, I'm going to put just a small touch, you know, just try and blend it in. We just want to see a little bit of something. So now we're going to go on the lips. With the soft side, I am going to use this lipstick here. And it's from Urban Decay. So it's Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick. And I don't know what color it is. It's in the color 1993. So with the soft side, and we're actually going to keep it inside the lip. So there it is. I'm going to put lip gloss on it. So yeah, you're keeping it quite cute. And with the body and the really glammed up side, yeah, obviously we're gonna overline it. So that side we're going to use this here. I'm actually gonna go in with the brown first. I like this one, so that's why I'm using it. Can't remember where I got it from. The liquid is a liquid lipstick. So we're gonna go overdraw it. I have to keep quiet for this one. And we are actually going to go inside with this shade here. So this one is from Locket. It's Bow and Arrow from Locket. That's the color, and it's a liquid lipstick as well. It's a matte lipstick, but I'm going to go over. So we're actually going to put that on inside. I'm gonna go over with the lip gloss, and this lip gloss is from Royce Cosmetics. So this one is a Professional Super Setter from Benefit. It's a sample side. I'm gonna spray my face with it. So this is it, I'm done. This is my two sides. This side is my super glam look. There it is if I turn this way. And this side is my soft and my cute side. So there it is, the soft and the cute side. So really cute, really soft, and not much to it. Is what I came up with. I hope you guys like this look. If you like this look, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Come again soon. Come be a part of my YouTube family. There you go, guys. Let me know in the comment bar below which side you like the best. Do you like the glam side, or do you like the cute and soft side? Let me know in my comment bar. I prefer both of them. Whichever makeup that I do, I prefer full coverage anyway. So thank you guys for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye.